Welcome back to our YouTube channel Worth of Coins, Coins Enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of numismatics, as we explore the hidden treasures behind the €5 since 2005 IR coin. But first, let's delve into the backstory of the euro, a symbol of European unity and economic prowess. The euro, introduced in 1999, has become a cornerstone of the European Union's economic landscape. Its inception marked a significant milestone in European history, fostering economic integration and stability across member states. Within this vast euro coinage lies a hidden gem, the €5 since 2005 IR coin. But what sets this coin apart from the rest? Released in 2005, the IR designation on the coin signifies its origin, Ireland. Designed by Jarlath Hayes, the obverse side features an intricate Celtic harp, symbolizing Ireland's rich cultural heritage. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, what makes this coin truly valuable is its historical significance and rarity. While its face value may seem modest, collectors around the world covet this particular coin for its scarcity and unique design. In recent years, the demand for euro coinage, especially rare specimens like the €5 since 2005 IR is $500 in auction, has surged, driving up its market value. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or simply intrigued by the world of numismatics, remember that behind every coin lies a story waiting to be told. Join us next time as we uncover more hidden treasures from the fascinating world of currency. Until then, happy collecting!